Hello, everyone. I'm so excited to get into the next section of our final run. We'll be working with an PEAS model. This activities we have for the PEAS model, which I'll go over with you again. There is a PEAS framework, which is really nice. And then we have, this is the same methods of growth slide deck that was in our earlier module in module 2, but it pertains. So I added it here. It's just a refresher to help you with some ideas to help you with that PEAS model portion of that final project. You also have, in the discussions, you will have populated a long list, a library list of all those items to help you in the report. So let's just go ahead and take a look in here. So when we go down to, with the PEAS model, we start with the revenue streams in adjacent markets. What I'd like you to do is include something in here that the company is doing in that area already, or something that you can mention that the company is doing well. And then from there, list some opportunities, problems, issues, whatever it may be, but you want to phrase it nicely, of course, but list some ideas that they can include to increase revenue streams and go into adjacent markets. Now you have in your discussions, you have that long list of ideas that you can include in there. So think about those that you can use to apply towards this specific business. The same for the conversion of the sales funnel and growing distribution, something they've done well, and then other opportunities, ideas that you and your team have cultivated, considering the discussion forum, considering the strategy discussion, considering all the things that you've learned in the course that you can apply towards this business. And then lastly, the customer retention, what we've gone over for customer retention. What are they doing well? What else can they do to do better? A lot of ideas that were included, right? So when we look at these sections, revenue streams, you can use this as some ideas. Of course, your ideas, the companies are all very different, so they're custom, but you get an idea of what I'm looking for here. And then when we go down to the PEAS model, so you've listed several ideas, you've listed a lot of thoughts here. The PEAS model, you're going to focus in on one specific problem or opportunity. I have problem / opportunity because we don't necessarily want to make it seem like the business owner is doing a bad job, right? But there may be some issues, there may be some, opportunities or ideas for improvement. So we will include that information in here. We're going to focus in on something here. Given the PEAS framework model that we have, we can use that to aid us too as we're writing this. And then we want to include the evidence. What is the evidence that supports this opportunity, issue, problem, whatever is going on? And then the analysis, we can actually look back up here and what did we have for our analysis? What are these 3 sections, what are the suggestions we are mentioning in here? This was very similar to our case study analysis. We listed several different choices, that would help the company, and we selected one, right? So we're going to do the same thing here. We're also going to, after the evidence, we're going to list a lot of different suggestions. We're only focusing in on one here, problem, but we're going to list however many different solutions there may be to that particular issue or opportunity. And then we're going to select what our colleagues have done here in selecting just one. We need to include additional references that we've included here. Let me Canvas message, and I'm very excited to see what you come up with, and I'm very much looking forward to it. Thank you so much.